guys, welcome back to another episode of Pop Funk Junk. Today is another unboxing, reviewing, and balloonanizing episode. So guys, let's get to it. Okay, today we are unboxing, reviewing, and balloonanizing this guy today. Alright, so who is not a fan of Pikachu? Everybody loves Pikachu. This guy is so adorable. And what I love about this pop is he really does look like the real thing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of pops. Sorry, I have a lot of pops over here too. A lot of the pops sometimes, they kind of look weird. Sometimes they kind of don't look like them. You have to really, look at them and say, okay, yeah, that's this character, this person. But what I love about this Pikachu figure is that he really does look like him, right? But anyways, okay, let's get started. Let me get my card. Okay, I kind of have to kneel down because my camera's a little low. It can't go too high. But anyways, so I'm excited. I haven't opened this guy either. Let's see. Okay. Right, there we go. Ha, receipt. Okay, so where did I get Pikachu? Pikachu is exclusively to Target for those that don't know. I was up, early, around 5 in the morning. I was already at Target waiting for them to open at 8 in the morning. He was, as always, he caused a lot of anxiety, Whenever it comes to these exclusives, we're always worrying about, man, am I able to get my hands on him? And this guy, when he was first released, the stores were only receiving 6. Just one box is 6. So you could imagine the folks that made number 7 and after that in line. So yeah, I was always lucky to make number 1 through 3. But anyways, okay, so I was able to find this one. It was 7. It was July 29th of this past year, 2018. That's pretty cool. I purchased him at exactly 8 a.m. That's pretty funny. Let me show you the receipt. Right there. Right? Okay, so let's put this receipt here. Let's take this little guy out. Now, as you guys know, or those who don't know, Bulbasaur, Pikachu was the first Pokemon in Pop. We do have him. You know what? I keep forgetting that I have the 10-inch. Let me get the 10-inch. Okay. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so I'm pretty excited because I thought it was just going to be this one, but we're unboxing this one too. Okay, so give me just a sec. He's a big one. Okay. Let me just keep him here. Whoa. Okay. So this one. Oh, man. It's a lot of fresh vinyl smell here. Wow, this guy is awesome. Look at this guy. Okay. There we have... And he does move around. Here we have a 10-inch Pikachu. He is also exclusive to Target. Right? Okay, so we have the small and big one. Let me put this aside. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so they are both exclusively to Target. So this guy I got in July. This guy was in December, because he was part of the, I believe it was 12 days of, it was 12 days of Funko. This Target, I believe, it was every Friday in December. They released an exclusive pop. They gave you a hint, and with that hint, you kind of had to find out what was going to be released. But on that Friday, it was 9 in the morning, 9 a.m. Eastern, every morning. They released an exclusive Target pop, and this was one of them. I was very excited because I mean it's Pikachu, it's Pokemon. Who is not a fan, you know? And look at the size of this guy. I mean, you know, they look really, really cool. So okay. So, and this guy, I forgot. This guy, at Target, this little guy was $8.99. It's $9. And this one was $20.99. It's $30. But yeah, up in value right now, he should be worth around $50 to $65. Trending value, this guy right here, he should be about $20 to $30. In trending value right now. So let me get up close to you guys so you guys can have a better view on them. Okay, so there we have a better view on Pikachu, right? There we have a 10-inch Pikachu. Now, they are both exactly the same in design. They are just different sizes. Man, I love them. I don't even want to put them back in the box. They look great. All right, there we go. We have the 3.75-inch Pikachu and the 10-inch Pikachu. I think it's time to get balloonanizing. What do you guys think? There we go. All right, let's get to it. right, guys, there we have it. We have Pikachu in his balloon figure. There we go. This guy was pretty fun. He kind of looks like he gained some weight. He's a bit chubby here today. But hey, this is what we were able to pull off. So let me turn him around so you guys can see the details. A nice brown detail in the back, little stripes. There we go. Right, got his little tail. Got those pop black eyes. We got his cheeks. Now I ran out of red Sharpie, so I had to put those balloons on there. It looks all right, but they could have been done in marker. I would say it looked a lot better, but there we go. So guys, there we have it. Let me have a full view on Pikachu. All right. Now let me set him down before he electrocutes me. Here we go. Okay. All right. So guys, there you have it. For those who keep on coming back to my channel, thank you so much, guys, for the support. I hope this was fun. I hope you guys thought it was really cool. For those who are stopping by for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you really like the content and you really want to see more Funko Pops in the future being balloonanized, reviewed, in tutorials, if you guys want to learn some balloon art, don't forget to subscribe. Pop that bell button so you guys can be up to date with the post notifications. Guys, if you really like this video, again, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. And I guess it's a wrap for today. Again, guys, thank you so much. Always stay creative, and I'll catch you guys next time.